Paksha Varvi is the last milestone of the school journey. The student used to start making plans about how their life is going to be when they cross this barrier, a barrier to freedom. Everyone tries to put their best to come off with flying colors and head towards their new phase of life. We, the Roshan Academy, are here to make you put the last hammer with perfection. For class 12 science stream, we will be having 6 days a week, out of which 3 days will be classes and 3 days will be practice. Timings of classes will be 4 pm to 8 pm, that is 4 hours per day. Exams that are to be targeted for both classes 12 science stream include their school examination, KVPY and the competitive examination like JEE and NEET. Now let's go into the subject description. We will be covering maths, physics, chemistry and biology, and the content will be fully digital and will be displayed in the classroom. Targeted books for maths are A. Das Gupta, Jeetevani, popularly known as Cengage publication, NCERT and NCERT Exemplar. For physics, the books that are going to be covered include D.C. Pandey, H.C. Verma, NCERT and NCERT Exemplar. Coming to chemistry, the books to be covered are NCERT, NCERT Exemplar, MTG Fingertips and R.K. Gupta. Finally, in biology, the books to be covered are NCERT, NCERT Exemplar and MTG Fingertips. To know about the details of the subject mentors, click the link in the description box. Let's move on to the learning and doubt solving mechanism. There will be a lecture followed by a daily assignment, followed by a test after the completion of chapter, and if necessary, we will be taking the viva of the student. The complete detail of this mechanism is explained in the semester system. The testing frequency for class 12 will be about bi-weekly, and to make doubt solving mechanism very handy, the doubts can be solved either offline at coaching or online from home through video conference or on phone calls, or even solutions of questions through WhatsApp images can be done. Students and parents are free to talk to their mentors anytime. Now let's move on to the assignment tracking mechanism. For this, WhatsApp messages will be sent to the parents if a student fails to submit the assignment, so that parents can encourage the children to solve assignments on time. The course for class 12 begins from 30 March 2021 and the admission process includes a 2-hour test followed by a viva. We call it Continuum Discreetly Yours. To register for Continuum, kindly fill the Google form given in the description box and please forward this to your friends and family for whom you think this will be helpful. You can contact us for more details.